are going to love the 2007 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.